Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, we will be looking at the Igbo orthography properly, that is, Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. During the last video, the last lecture, I explained to you guys about how Igbo orthography came into existence, and I made you people understand that it was Onwu and his team 1961 that brought in the orthography. Now, the Igbo orthography are 36 in numbers, 28 are consonants, 8 are vowels. Some scholars say the orthography is divided into three, meaning 2 are consonant clusters, 26 are consonants, while 8 are vowels. The Igbo orthography are A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, D, G, H, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, U, V, W, N, Z. One distinctive feature or difference between the Igbo orthography and the English orthography is that the Igbo orthography does not have the letter Q in it. Okay, out of this 36 orthography, these 36 alphabets, the Onwu and his committee, they brought out 8 of it, which include the A, E, I, O, U. These are the udume, the vowels, while the others are the consonants. So this is a simple math to solve, a simple equation to solve. Bring out the 36 alphabets, Igbo alphabets. You bring out 8, the vowels, then the rest are the consonants. Now, coming to the vowels, Onwu and his committee, 1961, they divided the consonants into 2, which include the Odamfe and the Odaro. The Odamfe are those vowels, while pronouncing them are very hard. That is, vowels that are hard during pronunciation are Odamfe, while vowels that are easy while pronouncing them are Odaro. In English language, it is said that this Odamfe, they are stressed vowels, like because they have 2 dots beside them. That's, my English students should be very familiar with that. Okay, Odamfe includes A, I, O, U, 4 in numbers, while the Odaro, the ones that are light, that are easy in pronunciation, are A, I, O, U. They're very simple. Now, coming to the Mbochume, that's the consonant. Some scholars said we have something called Mirudume, and it is being extracted from the Mbochume, that is the Me and the Ne. Next video, we'll be looking at the basic Igbo phrase, that is Nkebia Hiroku anyị nwere n'asụsụ Igbo. Okay, if you like what you're seeing, kindly give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and on your notification to get more of our lectures. Bye bye.